Jury selection begins tomorrow in the sex trafficking trial of music mogul Sean Diddy Combs. Lori Bordonaro joins us with more on the challenges of picking potential jurors in this high-profile case. Lori?
And Jessica, prospective jurors have already filled out questionnaires. Now attorneys on both sides will determine what those potential jurors know about the case and whether they can be fair given Combs' celebrity status.
Sean Diddy Combs expected back in court Monday as attorneys question a pool of prospective jurors who will decide his fate.
You have to accept that everybody that you talk to in that jury pool is going to know who Sean Combs is.
Which is why legal expert Dante Mills says it's more challenging to find an unbiased juror or someone without an agenda.
We do have to keep in mind that we're relying on the jury to be honest when they say they're not going to use that prior information, because some people may just want to be on the jury because they may think it may lead to a book deal.
Mills says both sides will focus on what potential jurors have seen and read in the media about the hip-hop mogul, including allegations that Combs coerced women to participate in drugs and sexual encounters, and video of an alleged assault against an ex-girlfriend.
Some people may believe that they can be fair, but, for example, after seeing that video, in the back of their mind, they just don't like this guy.
On Thursday, Combs confirmed to a judge he rejected the prosecution's offer of a plea deal and beefed up his defense team. Combs has pleaded not guilty to 5 counts, including transportation to engage in prostitution and sex trafficking.
That's a lot of what this case is going to hinge off of, the behavior that's happened and people thinking, is it socially acceptable?
The judge hoping to complete jury selection in a few days. Opening statements are scheduled for May 12th. Jessica.
All right. Thank you, Lori.